What's up, everybody? My good name is Karen. This part over here is what I'll be retying with you guys. I'll go ahead and unravel it. Then I'm going to spritz it with some water. Okay, I'm sure you've noticed some of my tool over here. If you see some colorful things on my hair, don't worry, it's part of my retie tool. So we spritz it with some water. Not so much, but just enough. Because you're prone to breakage as you're retying, so we want to make the place as moist as possible to avoid breakage. So this is just simply water with some oil, coconut oil to be precise. That's my go-to oil. So once your hair is damp, we can go ahead and start our retie. Okay, we'll take a section like so. Once we have this section, we'll roll everything like so. And then we'll get our tool somewhere over here. Where is it? Can you spot it? I'll get my tool. I'll go ahead and insert my hair. Like so. And then go ahead and do the 4-point rotation. So basically I do east, west, south, north. And then you want to make sure that we've placed the tool where the growth is starting from, the farthest place. Then that's east, west, south, north, west, east, north, south. So that's the 4-point rotation. If I need to adjust, I'll just repeat the same process. East, west, south, north, west, east, north, south. I'm done with this first part. If you can see, it's already retied. Let's go ahead and do another one. I'll take this front part, but it has this. These are usually painful to do because of the accessories, but I can go ahead and cut them. So we first measure the growth. This is how much hair I have. I'm sure I can be able to insert my index finger, you see. So we just repeat the same process. We have our hair on the tool. We twist our hair. Just the part we want to lock, like so, and then we go in with our tool. We look for the farthest place that it is. Okay. Okay, so one last time. Don't think I can be able to go 4 times, especially with these accessories. Oh, I can, but it might be a little bit painful. This is the last one. Yeah, so we managed to do the 4-point rotation twice. We did this 2 lock strands. We're gonna go ahead and proceed with the rest. process up until we are at the root. Like for example, with this particular lock strand, I did the 4-point rotation thrice. Okay, let's see how many we're going to do with this. This is how much growth I have. I lost track of the previous one, so let's start with this. Let's see how many rounds I'm going to go. So that's one. That's two. And that's three. You can't do any more. But yeah, so this is what we came up with. So far so good. This is what we've come up with. Don't worry, these are my baby hairs and I usually don't retire them. And they are I'm about to form like new locks over here. So don't mind this part. But so far, this is what we've managed to come up with. Yeah. So you can spot the difference between this and this. Catch me on my YouTube live as I do the remaining part of my hair. I usually do the remaining part of my hair live on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.